Real beauty is skin deep. And if the trend of mindful beauty is to be believed, the beauty world is finally getting on board. After all, how do you explain the rise of karma cleansing haircuts, energy clearing facials and chakra healing pedicures? Today's video will discuss how to get glowing inside out. The new age beauty regimens aim to spruce you up inside out, and it's sweeping social media and your bathroom cabinets. It is seeking mindfulness through your regular salon procedures using chakra healing, crystals and aromatherapy-based products. It also marks a return to nurturing ingredients. Slow beauty, the hashtag #MindfulBody has been used over 26,000 times on Instagram as people share their mindful rituals that combine slow beauty with mindful gestures, breathing techniques and meditation. Aromatherapist and beauty expert Blossom Kocher says the reason that such rituals are gaining traction is because people are seeking peace of mind along with their regular salon procedure, given the pressures of modern-day living. She adds, "This is self-care of the ultimate kind, as you beautify the self and find emotional solace. Everyone wants to heal at a deeper level and glow from within." According to a report released last November by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the use of meditation more than tripled between 2012 and 2017. Also, according to Global Wellness Institute, a non-profit organization for the wellness industry, meditation is one of the fastest-growing categories of the $4.2 trillion wellness market. Meditation is the current buzzword. Mindful makeup, wellness is the trend du jour for the entire beauty industry. In Cosmetic Design's Beauty and Personal Care Report for 2019, it was found that there's a shift towards vibrational beauty that incorporates crystals, astrology and metaphysical learnings. Even makeup has become all about natural ingredients. Salons are creating beauty regimens that have an emotional takeaway to help you de-stress. This search for inside-out beauty especially clicks with millennials. Beauty expert Georgia Louise, whose treatments has celebrity fan followers like Emma Stone and Linda Evangelista, uses techniques like Reiki, acupressure, meditational breathing, manipulating the solar plexus to drain puffiness and smooth wrinkles out. Her 20-minute facial massage clears negative and stagnant energy and facilitates enzyme release and drainage. Beauty benefits: with current stressful lifestyles, more spiritual, mindful elements have come into beauty routine, says Nikita Upadhyay, beauty expert and writer of Roots to Radiance. She adds that beauty and wellness are no longer separate states of being. "I see it as a global realization more than just a trend that evaporates tomorrow," she notes. Upadhyay even suggests not just stopping at rituals, be mindful about everything from what you wear to using clean beauty products. She adds, "It's all about being gentle on the earth." So therapeutic elements combined with superficial salon treatments is a reality. Beauty with benefits, anyone? With current stressful lifestyles, more spiritual, mindful elements have come into the beauty routine. Beauty and wellness are no longer separate. Beauty treatments are now going a step further to be more comforting and nurturing for the skin, body and soul. This is self-care of the ultimate kind. Blossom Kocher, aromatherapy expert. Heard of energy haircuts? There's a rise of crown chakra haircuts done specifically around new moon for healing and changing your life. Practitioners of energy haircuts believe that people store a lot of stagnant energy in their hair and use Reiki and precise scissors skills to change their headspace in more ways than one. Lena Majer, holistic wellness expert, says, "It's clear that we want treatments to boost our psyche as well as our skin. Full moon haircuts and facials help rebalance the chakras." What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section.